Hi, I'm Ben Cote and I'm from Cote Law Group. And today I want to bust one of the biggest estate planning myths that I hear all the time from my clients. And I'm guessing you've heard this myth too. I already have a will, so my family won't need to go through probate. If you're a financial professional, I'd love to hear your take on this. Have you ever had a client who thought that their will is all that they needed to keep their family out of probate court? Maybe they even said someone told them that a will skips probate entirely. Drop a story in the comments if you've seen a plan that looked good on paper until probate got involved. So here's the truth. A will doesn't avoid probate. It guarantees it. If you only have a will, your estate has to go through the court system. That means delays, court filings, legal fees, public records, and often frustration for your client's family. What actually avoids probate are things that pass outside of the will. Joint accounts, payable on death designations, retirement accounts with named beneficiaries, and probably most importantly, a revocable living trust. When a client has a trust that's properly funded, meaning that their assets are titled in the name of the trust, those assets skip the probate process entirely. The successor trustee steps in and they handle everything privately, often in weeks instead of months or years. And that makes a massive difference, especially for families with real estate, blended children, or they just want to avoid court and keep things simple and private. Now, don't get me wrong, wills are still important. They act like a safety net. If the goal is to avoid probate, a will alone won't do that. If you're working with clients who think that they're covered just because they have a will, we should talk. I'd love to talk with you and walk through their plan and see if we can help them avoid some of the common mistakes that we often see. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out for a consultation. I'll see you in the next one.